Safety Harbor Firearms, I've been in FFL since 1992. Started manufacturing the uppers in 2003, and we just expanded to a bigger building, buying some more machinery and working on some new projects. This is SHF S50 single shot upper conversion for the AR-15. Uses a AR-15 lower for fire control. Uses a stock lower, no modifications of lower, just some part swapping. This particular model is a 22-inch barrel. We make them in 18, 22, and 29-inch. We also make a mag-fed conversion for the AR-15. Has a 5-shot magazine, fully detachable, operates like a standard bolt-action rifle. This is also available in 18, 22, and 29-inch. By the way, it has standard Picatinny type rail with mounts for iron sights front and rear, and to mount a bipod. This is the SHF R50 magazine-fed rifle. This is a dedicated rifle. This is not a upper-lower conversion, so it requires an FFL. Magazine-fed the same way, 5-round magazine, bolt action. This is the S50 for single shot. Works the same way as the mag-fed gun, just minus the magazine. 18, 22, and 29-inch barrels are also available. Another thing we offer is a monopod to go with the bipod. Maybe in the future some 338 Lapua. We've done some 510 DTC guns in the past. We just didn't have the demand for it from California, so I stopped doing those.